Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by charging the case and keeping the AirPods close. This guarantees the pairing radio has power and range. Once done, open the lid and leave the earbuds inside so the case broadcasts a pairing signal. On an iPhone or iPad, make sure Bluetooth is enabled. On other devices, prepare Bluetooth settings. You're initiating discovery now, not completing setup. This first step speeds detection and prevents failed attempts due to low battery or distance. You'll now trigger the device-specific flow. If you're on an iPhone, an animation appears. Tap Connect and follow on-screen prompts because Apple automates settings like Siri and Find My. On Mac, Android, or Windows, open Bluetooth settings and choose Add or Pair Device. Select the AirPods when listed to negotiate the secure audio profile. If nothing shows up, press and hold the case's rear button until the light flashes white to force discovery. This makes the AirPods visible to non-Apple devices. Finish by confirming the AirPods appear as the audio output and play a test sound. You want to verify left and right channels and mic function. Make sure features like automatic ear detection and noise control are set to your preference so the earbuds behave predictably. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. This clears previous pairings and lets you repair cleanly. Keep calm and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.